It's just after 8 p.m., 9 o'clock, 10, 11, midnight, 2 a.m. I think I missed the 1 a.m. check-in, 3 a.m. It's time for that 4 a.m. check-in. Tonight I'm doing something that I've never done before, and it's going to require a whole lot of walking around. The sun is going down. I'm eating a chocolate bar, and I'm getting ready for an entire night of filming street photography. Starting here in Shenzhen Bay Park, the goal is to make my way east, across 3 different districts, ending at sunrise on the other side of the city. For now, I'm gonna say goodbye to the sun. I should see it in a few hours. My lens of choice tonight is this 135mm from Viltrox. It even still has the little plastic on the LCD screen of the lens. I'm gonna take that off. I don't wanna be like old grandma. So I'm excited to try it out and do some portraits of people on the street and things I see. I began my walk with a little snack. Everyone knows you can't take good photos when you're hungry. But then I got right to it, making my way down the coastline. And I also began noticing some things. Like, what is this guy running away from? Why isn't this couple talking to each other? And why does this woman have her flash on? So many mysteries and so little time. It was fun to see all these friends and families hanging out together and having a good time, even if so many of them were still on their phones. One thing I love is this screen. It's easy to read even at night. But not everyone was there for fun. This construction crew was there fixing up the place. And these street vendors were nearby with their yummy treats. At 8 p.m. I made my way to this place called OCT Harbor, which is this long open mall. On one of the buildings there are these great lights that cover a whole wall, so I made sure to take some pictures of some people there. I especially like this guy selling candy to people. Didn't seem like he was having a lot of luck. There were couples everywhere here, or people that wanted to be. And with couples come kids, and kids love amusement rides. And this one looked fun, so I had to try it out. I thought I'd be able to take some good photos in there, but it was a little too intense to focus on the photography. At 9 o'clock, I stumbled on this dog meetup. You okay, buddy? Oh. There were so many types of dogs there, but one of them was so popular that all the other dogs followed it around. Seeing all these dogs reminded me of my own pets, so I added them to my lens screen using the Viltrox app. And that's when I had to take this overpass that was insanely busy. This guy was sitting there waiting for an opening. And as I made my way up myself, I was struck by just how steep this thing was. It reminded me of the little roller coaster I had taken earlier. It's just after 10 o'clock. I got a number of great shots, and I still need to get to these urban villages. That's what I'm gonna do next. Wow, such energy in my voice. I wonder how long that'll last. And indeed, I did go to the urban villages. These are some of the older, high-density neighborhoods spread throughout the city. And I actually go to these places quite often because they're so vibrant with activity, you never know what you're going to find. Around every corner there's something interesting happening. It's after 11 p.m. and I'm starting to get hungry. Decided to go for the skewers tonight. Got this tofu and it is full of garlic.
Check out all that garlic.
The streets started to empty out, and I began focusing my lens on some night creatures that never stay still. And no matter how hard they tried to get away, the fast and accurate autofocus motors of this lens were able to keep up. Isn't that right, little fella? It was well after midnight, and I found myself in Laojia, a part of the city known for shopping and restaurants. In fact, it was where the first McDonald's in China was opened. But I just know it as that place I want to avoid because it's always too crowded. But that's not a problem at 1 a.m. It's mostly just mannequins standing around. This woman was doing a live stream asking for donations when a guy nearby encouraged her with a little clap. She seemed pretty thankful. By chance, I ran into another photographer who likes taking pictures of people in the area, and he took one of me. Isn't that cool? I'm probably not making a lot of sense because even though I don't feel tired, I am up at nearly 3 a.m. So yeah, I was feeling it at that point, but as long as I kept moving, I could stay awake. Kind of like how the fish at the seafood market have to keep swimming to stay alive. Except most of them aren't moving anymore. All right, it's 3 a.m. and I am still walking around. I'm not exactly sure where I am, but I'm in Laojia somewhere. And I'm getting some more skewers. 好吃啊？
好吃是吧？
对。
吃完不够再烤啊。这个很好吃的，我们烧烤很好吃的。
Tonight, with this lens, I have to say I wouldn't be getting these photos without it. I mean, so many times I've gone out and filmed at night and not been able to get good images just because the lens isn't fast enough and the autofocus doesn't work. You come home with a bunch of blurry images and that's no good. I mean, the bokeh and the speed of it is really impressive. All right, I'm gonna finish these skewers and head out of here. After 3 a.m., I began seeing more and more street vendors serving people who got off their night shifts. I also began seeing a lot of cats. This one kind of looked like a supervillain.
Hi, 有厨房吗？你好。哎，要不要吃？鸡蛋和鸡蛋啊。要煮就来。你都不英語咯，英國歷史啊。
English, And then this man and his buddies seemed so friendly that I had to stop. Street food round 3. Gangbei! The streets were quiet, and I was exhausted. My plan was to climb a mountain and watch the sunrise, but I don't think I have enough energy. So I'm at another convenience store. It's a 24-hour. It's 4:30 a.m. and I'm about to enter the park. Hopefully I'll see that sunrise. I could totally fall asleep right here. My eyes are getting kind of red though. Yeah, ooh, they're getting red. I'm not sure this is smart. This was a smart idea. Got some nice photos, but I am tired. Whoa, Layla. And that's when I made my way to the nearby mountain of Suizhou Park. It really is an oversized hill, but it felt substantial at the time. It is nearly 5 a.m. Thankfully, the gate was open, so no issues getting in. And now I'm happily on my way. I mean, just look at it. It's kind of nice. But that feeling changed once I started walking in darkness. Oh my God, it's so scary. I can barely see anything. You know, I feel like I should use my super fast lens to see in the dark here. That is some crazy stuff. Like, look at that. This lens can see in the dark. Things got even more eerie as I realized I wasn't alone. I could hear rustling on the ground from these crickets and cockroaches. There were cats everywhere. And then I heard footsteps and breathing from these old aunties and uncles that were exercising in the early morning hours. Oh, wow. Little box. So I finally made it to the top of this little mountain, and the sun is starting to come up over there. It's been a long night, but I'm happy I made it. I did it! A whole night of taking photos on the street. Now, I just had to head back. On my way down, I ran into some of those folks that scared the crap out of me before. And they didn't seem so scary anymore. This friendly-faced fella even gave me directions.
6点过5分，过3分。
这条路。
这条路可以下去到健身器材那里。
啊 ，OK， 可以可以。谢谢。And this little guy followed me all the way back down the hill. Good morning. It's me again. It is 6:24 and we have hit the morning light. Here, I'll take my hat off. Woo, look at that. Crazy hair. I wanted to show you, after an entire night of shooting, what I've been working with. It's this. The Viltrox 135mm. This lens has been incredible, excellent, and it's very fast and great for nighttime shooting. This park is great. There's lots of cats and a lot of people. So I'm gonna head home and go to bed. But it's been a lot of fun. I don't know, this is kind of a fun experiment. I might do it again sometime. We'll see. Okay, that's it for now.